As a crypto trader, I always compare different exchanges to make sure I am buying coins from the right place at a good rate. I used many exchanges in the last few years and currently I use Binance the most. And in this short video, I will tell you why. Hello everyone, welcome to the trading channel and stay with me until the end to learn why Binance is a preferable exchange for me by the time I'm recording this video. At the end of the video, I will share something about Binance that we have been preparing with my team that even Binance doesn't know about. So Binance is one of the biggest marketplaces for trading crypto worldwide, with access to at least 540 crypto-to-crypto trades. Binance makes over 2 million worth of activities possible every day. Most countries worldwide can trade on the Binance exchange and the minimum transaction is $10. While the Binance platform accepts users who want to use cash, you may not always be able to deposit cash to your Binance wallet based on your location. Now, the most important thing for the traders is the fees, and Binance can afford one of the lowest fees, which attracted me personally. You won't usually pay more than 0.1% every time you complete a trade on Binance. Also, below I will drop a referral link that will decrease your fees even further. Make sure to check it out. And yes, trading fees on Binance are very low, and if you are trading the Binance coin, you will be able to reduce those fees even further. But that is not the only reason I like to trade a Binance coin. It increased its value tremendously at the beginning of 2021, much more compared to Bitcoin. And if you want to know what I personally prefer to buy and sell, check out my Patreon's page. This is where I quickly share when I buy and sell an asset, obviously much earlier than recording a video on YouTube about it. The other most important aspect for every investor is to be able to withdraw money easily. Binance allows you to withdraw your crypto funds as a real world currency so that you can withdraw your coins to bank accounts around the globe. At the same time, it is easy to fund the account. Binance has partnered with companies like Simplex and SEPA, so you can fund your account by using your credit card or a wire transfer. You won't have to pay any transaction fees if you decide to use SEPA transfers or wire deposits to fund your account. This is what I like to use the most. And I know that many of our subscribers are from the US, so that I will drop a sentence about you guys. Most traders based in the United States can use Binance US to trade on a platform that complies with regulations in your country. However, there are a few states that are not currently supported by the platform. These include Connecticut, Texas, and New York. Binance has become popular among traders for several reasons. While it initially started out focusing only on cryptocurrency, it expanded to make it easy to fund your account with fiat currencies or even withdraw your money to a bank account in a currency of your choice. As well, on the platform you will find spot trading, which is pretty cool. Spot trading is available on the Binance platform, and the classic interface gives you a quick overview of all the trading pairs. We have as well margin trading. If you are an experienced trader who wishes to increase the potential earnings by trading on margin, you can do so on Binance. This option is only recommended for traders who have developed their own trading system and understand the risks associated with trading on margin. You can trade with leverage of up to 10 times, although this option is not provided for all coins. Binance offers both isolated margin and cross margin. With cross margin, you will risk the entire balance in your margin account. If you choose an isolated margin, you will only risk potential losses with a single trading pair. And the last reason I'm using Binance is that I am a fan of passive income. On Binance, you can stake cryptocurrencies and earn rewards. And they offer much more like crypto loans, Visa cards, mining pool, and many other functions that I'll be probably talking about in future videos. And if you want to know something more about Binance, drop it in the comments below. I will answer you. And if I find the topic interesting, I might record a video about it. I know I said that we are working on something. It will be a new algorithmic trading app which you will be able to use with Binance, with ready-to-use strategies, with a community of traders, and it will be fantastic. But I will update you about it probably in 3-4 months from the time I'm recording this video. Thank you guys for watching this quick Binance review, and if you have enjoyed the information that I brought to you, make sure to press the like button. Take care, and I will see you soon.